Hey, this is Sunil Bhutta, and you are watching a lecture by Skandar Science Academy. This is the part 3 of our lecture, which is named by flowchart of tenses. As I have told in my previous lecture that tenses are of four types: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous tense. Now we will discuss the perfect. We have discussed present and past in our previous lectures. Now we are moved towards the future. First of all, we will discuss future indefinite tense. Their identity in Urdu is that इस टेंस के जुमलों के आखिर में गा है, गी है वगैरह आएगा. Now we will move to the changing rule. There are two rules which will be applied in changing into Urdu into English. Will shall use as helping verb. First form of verb is used in this tense. I have already told you that there is only few and minor number of changes in all the indefinite tense. In this tense we have to change will shall, and in past indefinite tense second form is used, no helping verb used. In present indefinite tense no helping verb is used. Their structure formula is that subject plus will shall plus first form plus subject. E.g. वो कल लंदन के लिए रवाना होंगे. They will leave for London tomorrow. They is used as subject. Will used as helping verb of future indefinite tense. Leave used as strong verb. For is preposition. London is an object in our case, and tomorrow is an time. So my dear friends, I will also tell you in our next session how to change present indefinite and past indefinite and future indefinite by minor changes. Now I will discuss future continuous tense. The identity in Urdu is that इस टेंस के जुमलों में रहा होगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी वगैरह आखिर में आएंगे. नाउ will be, shall be used as helping verb, and first form plus ing is used as strong verb. Their structure formula is same as usual in our previous sessions of future or present continuous and past continuous. Just helping verb are you change. Subject will be, shall be plus first form plus ing plus subject. Now the example is that वो सुबह अपनी म्यूज़िक का सबक ले रहा होगा. He will be taking his music lesson in the morning. He used as subject, will be as helping verb of continuous tense which is belong to the future. Taking is as continuous form. His is an possessive case of our subject, and music lesson is an object, and in the morning is a time. Now we will discuss future perfect tense. The identity is that इस टेंस के जुमलों में आखिर पर चुका, होगा, चुकी होंगी, चुके, चुका हूँगा वगैरह आएगा. Same as usual, as I have told you that shall and will is used as the helping verb. Shall have, will have, just addition of have used in the perfect tense, because have is already used in the present perfect tense. If you learned by heart this tense chart or the charts which we have told you in previous session. Now their formula is that subject will, shall, have plus third form plus subject. The example is that they will have left Pakistan before the end of the year. यानी उर्दू में वो इस साल के आखिर से पहले पाकिस्तान छोड़ चुके होंगे. They will have left the Pakistan before the end of the year. इस साल के आखिर से पहले ही वो जा चुके होंगे. Now the last and final stage of the session is future perfect continuous tense. Now the question is raised that you will say that this tense is same identity like the continuous tense. So my dear friend, just little addition of the time will taken in this sentence. Now इस टेंस के जुमलों में रहा होगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी वगैरह आता है. Little adjustment will have. They are already used in the perfect tense. Now being is just little addition of the helping verb which will come from the future continuous tense being, which is being. Now as continuous tense, so the strong form of verb will be change into the continuous form. फेल की फर्स्ट फॉर्म इस्तेमाल होगी, साथ में आईएनजी का इजाफा हो जाएगा. सेम एज यूजुअल फार्मूला फॉर ऑल दीज सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल हैव बीइंग, शैल हैव बीइंग, फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस सब्जेक्ट, एडिशन ऑफ टाइम. नाउ द एग्जांपल इज दैट आई शैल हैव बीन टीचिंग एट हिज कॉलेज फॉर 20 ईयर्स. मैं इसके कॉलेज में 20 ईयर्स से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. I shall have been teaching at his college for 20 years. मैं उसके कॉलेज में 20 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँगा as used is in future perfect continuous tense. The identity is shown by this example. So dear students, if you like the flow chart, diagram or the chart about the tense, please don't forget to subscribe. Like, if this video is not liked by you, then there is a button by me, unlike. Please subscribe the unlike button if you don't like it. If something is ignored by us, you can also tell us by your important and precious comment. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay safe.